Hey travel friends, this is Matt with Coastal Compass, and today we are at Sandals Negril, and we are going to show you one of their club level swim up rooms that is in the Bamboo Grove building. It's one of their newest buildings. If you like what you see and you want to book, please use the contact us link in the show notes. I'm happy to personally reach out and help you customize the perfect vacation. You can also use an affiliate link there if you want to book yourself. That would really mean a lot to me. And then last, if you've booked in the last couple weeks and you haven't paid in full, you might qualify for our free concierge services leading up to the trip. I've got a link with all that information in the show notes as well. Let's get to it and see this room. That's it for the room. I hope you found this helpful. And again, if you want help booking, there's a contact us link and affiliate link in the show notes. And if you've already booked, you may qualify for our free concierge services. You can also see that link in the show notes. Please subscribe. We're going to be bringing you more Sandals and Beaches content weekly.